Hey, good morning, Saginaw Bay fishermen, fisherwomen. Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa, the Saginaw Bay weather forecast brought to you by Frank's Great Outdoors in Linwood. One thing we have to talk about, wind, obviously, is a key factor on Saginaw Bay at this time of the year. I always show you the surface map and the isobars and tell you how close they are together. That means stronger winds. At this time of the year when we get the interaction between the warmer land and the colder water, that kind of wind doesn't necessarily show up on the isobars. So it does show up in the modeling on the exact wind forecast, but not on the overall surface pattern. Let's get on into it. Hey, we're going to miss a snowstorm. There's a blizzard warning in effect in Iowa, winter storm watch in effect up across the UP. We've got beautiful spring-like day today. So this is a mature spring March type storm heading through the Great Lakes over the next couple of days. So not today, dry. Tomorrow, dry until evening. There you see the snow, rain to snow line, and by 8 a.m. Thursday, the colder air moving in, starting to change over to snow, and we get the snow showers Thursday morning into afternoon, along with a stiff northwesterly wind, so no place to be on the water. Probably the next 3 days, although I'm going to show you a little bit of a light wind pattern. Friday, now you see the isobars increase, packed together, so to be gusty there. A strong secondary cold front comes through on Saturday, drops our temperatures. Sunday morning, right there, cold, probably in the teens and 20s, but lighter wind before it picks up during the afternoon. So yeah, we missed the snowfall for the most part. Look at that, 6 to 10 inches up in the UP, but across Saginaw Bay area, maybe an inch on Thursday morning, maybe 2 inches. Look at these temperatures, up and down, roller coaster. That also signals wind. So highs today around 60, in the 60s tomorrow. 40-ish Thursday morning, falling temperatures, but Friday back to the 50s. Saturday cold in the 20s and 30s, and then Sunday back to the 40s. So weather roller coaster looks pretty cool early next week, and then we start to get our next piece of warm weather. And note that time, almost by the end of March, there could be some 80s just to our south. Now, wind. This afternoon, this evening, probably a lot of water interaction type wind. This is tomorrow morning. You could watch that early tomorrow morning. You may get a couple of hours of a light wind. And then, of course, Thursday with a storm rolling through to windy. Friday the winds pick up again very quickly into Saturday's cold weather. And what I've been saying is there's Sunday at 8 a.m. Could be a light wind, maybe for several hours before the wind picks up during the afternoon and evening. So the game now is going to be to just simply try to track the wind and, of course, the storm systems for you. So this is the Saginaw Bay weather forecast brought to you by Frank's Great Outdoors in Linwood, and I'm meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Take care.